Building an aesthetic body is every guy's dream, but let's be honest, not everyone actually pulls it off. Probably not even half the people watching this. But here's the thing, after this video, you might be one of the ones who does. If you're somewhere between 14 and 25, and you've been thinking about building muscle from home, trust me on this. If you seriously follow the 5 exercises and tips I'm about to break down, you'll start seeing real, visible changes in just 2 weeks. Doesn't matter if you're skinny right now or carrying some extra weight, you can reshape your body into an aesthetic physique, and you don't need a single piece of equipment to do it. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete home workout plan ready to start today. And just as important, a simple diet plan that'll speed up your results. So let's start the transformation. What does aesthetic actually mean? First, you need to understand what an aesthetic body actually looks like. A lean, athletic build, a bulky, muscular one, or something balanced in between. Here's a quick exercise. Look at the 2 guys on your screen right now. Which one looks like more of a man, and which one looks more like a boy? Got your answer? Now, look at this next pair. You probably sorted them the same way. One into the boy category, one into man. But why? Is it the beard? Look again. Neither of these 2 has any facial hair, and yet you still placed one in each category. So it's not just about beards. There's something else that makes a guy look mature and aesthetic. A balanced body where everything is clearly defined. A V-shaped torso. Visible abs. And when you throw on literally any t-shirt, you look sharp and put together. That's exactly what we're building. Here are 5 steps. The first 3 unlock a full body workout plan. The last 2 cover something even more important. Without them, your workouts are basically a waste of time. Mindset and discipline. Don't skip those. Step 1. Push-pull power. Full arms, a wide chest, strong shoulders, sharp triceps. These are huge pieces of the aesthetic puzzle. But you need to know exactly which exercise builds which part. Push-ups. Basic, but brutally effective. Builds your chest, strengthens your arms, and tightens your core. If you're a beginner, start with knee push-ups. Once you've got some control, move to regular push-ups. Start with 5, then 10, then push for as many clean reps as you can. Form over everything. Incline push-ups. Use a table, bed, or wall. This hits your upper chest and shoulders harder. Keep it slow and controlled. Diamond push-ups. Hands together under your chest in a diamond shape. This targets your inner chest and triceps hard. It's tough, but the results are worth it. 3 sets, slow and controlled. For pulling movements without a pull-up bar, try towel door rows. Loop a sturdy towel through both door handles and row yourself toward the door. This hits your back and biceps. No towel setup? Try reverse bodyweight dips off a chair or step. Great for triceps and upper back. Balancing push and pull work keeps your proportions even, so your upper body looks fully defined instead of lopsided. Step 2. Build that V-shape. This is the most eye-catching part of an aesthetic physique, the V-shape. And no, it's not just about abs. It comes from training your core and upper body proportions together, all doable at home, 0 equipment. Leg raises, lie flat. Raise both legs straight up, lower with control. Hits your lower abs directly. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Plank. A static hold, but brutal for your core. Forearms on the ground, back flat. Start at 30 seconds and build from there. Russian twists. Sit on the ground, lean back slightly, twist side to side. Targets your obliques, the muscles that actually carve out your V-line. Mountain climbers. Push-up position. Drive your knees in fast. Builds core strength and torches fat at the same time. Quick reality check. Your abs only show up when your body fat is low enough. Pair this core work with a clean diet and some light cardio. Stick with 15 to 20 minutes of this daily, and your core will get stronger while your waistline starts carving out that sharp V shape. Step 3. Build your lower body. People skip leg day constantly, at home even more so. But without strong legs, your physique is never actually complete. Your lower body gives you power, stability, and balance. Bodyweight squats, Feet shoulder width apart. Sit back like you're lowering into a chair, then drive back up. Hits your quads, glutes, and calves. 3 sets, 15 reps. Lunges. Step one leg forward, dip down, push back up, switch legs. Builds your legs while improving balance and core stability. Wall sit. Back against a wall, slide into a seated position, and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Looks simple. Your thighs will disagree. Calf raises. Stand tall. Rise onto your toes. Lower with control. Build shape and strength in your calves. 3 sets, 20 reps. This combination builds your posture, endurance, and helps with fat loss, rounding out a genuinely complete physique. Step 4. Recovery and diet. Every serious bodybuilder, every person who actually understands fitness, says the same thing, that 1 hour of training a day isn't what builds your body. It's the other 23 hours, what you eat, how you rest. That does the real work. There's a reason people say abs are made in the kitchen. It's not just a saying, it's true. Protein is the single most important nutrient for building muscle. Lean on accessible sources: eggs, milk, peanut butter, lentils, beans, Greek yogurt, chicken or fish if you eat meat. You also need carbs and fats for energy: whole grain bread, rice, oats, fruit, nuts. Keep it balanced. You don't need an extreme diet or some complicated meal plan. Just clean, mostly home-cooked food. And don't skip water. Aim for at least 3 to 4 liters a day. Hydration directly affects both your performance and your recovery. Combine smart training with real rest and a solid diet, and your transformation speeds up and actually sticks. Step 5. Consistency and mindset. You can know the perfect workout. You can eat exactly right, and you can still not see results. Why? Simple answer: consistency and mindset. A great physique isn't built by reps alone. It's built by the discipline you show up with every single day. The biggest killers of that discipline are overthinking, distraction, and the habits that quietly drain your energy without you noticing. Endless scrolling, doom feeds, anything that gives you a quick dopamine hit but leaves you flatter afterward. If you're serious about this transformation, it's worth taking an honest look at whatever's eating your focus and getting a handle on it. Build discipline like a habit. Set a routine and follow it for 21 days straight without breaking it. Your mind gets strong the exact same way your body does, by staying consistent with what you told yourself you'd do. So if you want the physique you're picturing, train your mindset as hard as you train your body. Consistency is the engine. Mindset is the foundation. Everything else is just the result that follows. If this video moved you even one step forward, hit subscribe.